Now we know that whenever you run or execute any exe file, then that exe file will be loaded into the primary memory of your computer. That exe file will occupy certain area of the primary memory. That area, that memory space, will be divided into 4 parts. Those parts are code area, data area, stack area and heap area. Whenever you call any function in the program, the compiler will create a function stack in the stack memory area. You see, I have written over here function stack of function sum. This means whenever you call any function, the compiler will create a function stack inside the stack area or at the stack area of the memory. Is it clear? Now one more point. Stack is a LIFO structure, that is last in first out. Hence the first element which compiler has pushed into the stack will be popped at last, and the last element which compiler has pushed will be popped first. So suppose first entry is this one, then if you push this element at the starting, then it will be removed from the stack at last. And suppose if you push this element at last, then it will pop, means removed from the stack at first. Is it clear? Well, now we'll discuss the function stack. When program calls the function, following events occur. The first one is the instruction pointer is incremented to the next instruction past the function call. This event occur at microprocessor. This is a return address which is placed on the function stack. So function return address, this is the first entry in the stack. So compiler will push function return address in the stack. So this will be at bottom. Okay. Now see the next step. The next step says that to locate the function stack, the base pointer register BP is pushed to stack. This is the address of start of function stack. So second entry will be base pointer. Now see the third entry. The parameters of the function are placed on the function stack. Here the parameters of the function sum are integer x, integer y. So integer y will be the third entry and integer x, that is parameter x, will be the fourth entry. So fourth entry is entry of x. Okay. Now you see next one. The local variables are pushed onto the function stack as they are defined. So sum is a local variable of function sum. So this will be the last entry. So compiler will push the sum at last in the function stack. Is it clear? Remember one important point. Some of the details of this procedure may vary from compiler to compiler. I have given this diagram only to clear the concept of function stack. Is it clear? Understood the process? So remember, I will repeat the entire process again. Whenever you call a function, the compiler will create a function stack at stack area. Is it clear? Thank you.